The Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people, Southwest Khasi Hills District, yesterday inspected the Maukirwat Civil Hospital and reportedly discovered many shortcomings in the hospital, which is the only major hospital in the district. The Federation observed that this hospital lacks basic facilities like CT scan and ultrasound machines. It has demanded the government to equip the Maukirwat Civil Hospital for the overall benefit of the local populace.
Kini ki doktor ki ba de ki doktor spesialis ki babun ki haban pej haji ni raru nomor ba ngimpat don haduk menta tigi jing duna kan staf kuartaru ki staf kuartar ki don naduk mensua por badang de tang ka CHC hari mentala pen kiu kerdan haga sibil hospital hanrei ki staf kuartar pedi kidang nek kaju ka penjenjar bah ya ki staf hapo jeng hospital ka jongi kalong ba 4 don ki staf kuartar ki hapsa syabah ban ngi kuaru ban dawaru ya kaniga MCW ban dono laka jong ki khana ki kenthei ban ki khana ki khunlung khnang ba kaniarap ini hospital ka jongi ban haduk mentaru ultrasound idon tanggawi ka machine tilada don arngut laingut kan penjenjar ya hospital tingi don kam laknono arteli laitli ki machine kabya de beka ultrasound